carefully.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for central Jones County in southeastern Mississippi until midnight Central Standard Time. At 11:19 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Ellisville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Laurel around 11:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Tucker's Crossing around 11:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Sandersville and Mill Creek around 11:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.